Come with me to get my nails done in Korea. I came across this cute nail salon in Hongdae called Nail Monde. It's very pink and feminine with a cozy, warm interior. They have lots of nail designs to choose from, as well as an endless wall of gel color options. It's like nail heaven. Now, every time I come to Korea, I always book in to get my nails done because nail artistry here is on a whole other level. You'll see what I mean in this video. Watch until the end to find out how much my nails cost. This video is sponsored by me, my own brand, the Petite Club. I'm excited to let you guys know that our lashes are exclusively available now on Coreelle.com, the go-to place for all things Kbeauty. What this means is that you can now shop our lash styles and stock up on Korean beauty products all in one place. On Coreelle, you can find skincare, makeup, hair care, and now our amazing lashes. These are lashes that I designed for smaller hooded eye shapes. We have a natural collection that's perfect for everyday wear. Our classic collection gives you that extra volume and oomph, whilst our luxe collection gives you that luxurious 3D faux mink look. Now, to celebrate our new home at Coreelle.com, I'm giving you my family and friends discount code TINA20, which will give you 20% off site-wide. Plus, there's free shipping for orders over $50 to $70 depending on your region. But honestly guys, it won't be hard to hit those targets because there's so many good K-beauty products on there. As always, I'll leave the link on screen and in my description box below for you guys. Happy shopping! This is my current nails. I've got on a red cat eye gel polish, which the nail artist Yong is going to remove using her electric file. She files most of the gel color in the center, then switches to a smaller drill bit to remove the edges, as well as any leftover gel on my nail plate. This is my first time I've seen this technique done. Usually nail artists would file a majority of the gel color off, then soak the remaining in acetone. But as you can see here, she's very skilled with the e-file and can remove the gel safely without damaging my natural nails. And yes, I've been growing my nails out, so when it came time to shaping, I asked her to keep the length and just give me a skinny almond shape. After that, she cleans up my cuticles by pushing them back with her e-file. All this prep work is really important, especially if you want long-lasting nails. And I feel like a lot of Korean nail artists are really good at this. Now she buffs the free edge. Here she's applying cuticle remover to soften up my dead skin around the cuticles. This is going to make it easier for her to cut off with her nippers. Honestly, I thought I didn't have much cuticle to remove, but here you can see there's a fair amount. After that, she applies a clear base gel and flash cures in place. Then once all 5 nails are painted, it's fully cured for 60 seconds. Now for the fun part, the nail art design. I love what she had on her nails. They look like a magical night sky design. So I actually asked her to do the same thing on mine, but add some jewels and bling to it, because you know, your girl's extra. These are the gel colors she'll be using. They're actually magnetic and shift colors, which is what gives it that 3-dimensional look. For each nail, she's painting on 2 layers of each color, and in between she's using the magnet to move and shift the glitter particles around. Oh, it's just so interesting to watch this part. After each layer is done, she flash cures in place. check out how cool it looks afterwards. This looks amazing already. Now that I've got on the base, she's going to pick out all the jewelry parts and stickers for the design. Next, she's painting on a matte top coat on some of the areas of my nails. This is so that she can create the chrome gold line details without the powder sticking everywhere. You can see here that it goes matte once it's cured. And she's using a fine liner brush to paint on little details using a non-wipe top gel. Then once it's flash cured, she rubs on some gold chrome powder on top, which will adhere to the non-wipe top gel. And you can see that the excess powder can be easily dusted away with a brush. Pretty cool, right? After that, she seals in the chrome lines with a clear gel. Then moves on to the nail jewelry parts. I actually chose a design that I saw on one of her samples. So here she's using a putty clear gel. And she's rolling that to create a thin cylinder. Then she cuts off a small amount using her tweezers and applies it onto my thumbnail. She uses a silicone tool to shape the gel, and once it's in the position that she wants, she flash cures it in place and repeats this on my ring finger. And now to make it look like gold jewelry, she's going to apply the non-wipe top coat over the 3D part, flash cure it in place, and then rub the chrome powder on top, just like she did with the chrome details. And ta-da! It looks like I have a gold ring on my nail. So cool, it's so pretty. Of course, to seal it, she needs to paint on another layer of top gel. Okay, here's what my nails are looking like so far. They look amazing, but there's still some more elements she's going to add, like a gold chain, which is going to go over on top of the 3D ring she created. And she adds a little extra jewel to bling it up. For the other nails, she adds in some 3D parts like a gold moon. And the little star detailing are actually stickers. For the pinky nails, she's creating a dangly chain nail art design. I don't know guys, that's the best way I can describe it. I've never seen this done before, but what she's doing, she sticks on a golden bead with a hole in it. She cures that in place, then she threads through a chain with a little diamante ball at the end. She cuts off the excess part and then cures the chain in place. And I'm left with this really cool dangling nail art. After that, she overlays each nail with a thicker top gel, which will secure all the gems and stickers in place. And it'll also build up my nail structure to make it stronger and not prone to breaking, because my natural nails are actually quite thin. If you're wondering how I'm able to grow them out this long, it's because I have gel on my nails. Are you ready for the reveal? This is the final design on my nails. Can you guys guess how much this cost me? All up, it was 210,000 won, which is $159.70 USD. This also included the price of removing my old gel polish, and all up, I spent 2 hours at the nail salon, which is actually pretty good. To be honest, I was expecting to pay a lot more since I was charged almost double last time I did one hand at a luxurious nail salon in Korea. Check out that video on screen if you haven't seen it already, and remember to click subscribe. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!